Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Loveable versus Firebase and figure out which backend you should choose in 2025. If you're building an app and can decide between AI-driven speed and Google's trusted backend, this is for you. Loveable is designed for simplicity and rapid prototyping. You describe your idea and it generates a working app with clean code. It's perfect for startups and founders who want to launch fast without worrying about servers, databases, or too much setup. Firebase, on the other hand, is Google's backend powerhouse. It offers real-time databases, authentication, analytics, and cloud functions. Developers get more control and scalability, but it takes more time and technical know-how compared to Lovable's instant builds. So Loveable is best if you need speed, MVPs, and an easy start. Firebase wins if you're ready to scale, need deep backend services, and want long-term infrastructure. So that's Loveable versus Firebase in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.